Hello everyone, I'm Vikas and hope you guys are all doing great. Today we're going to talk about the latest interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve. The Fed has lowered the interest rates by 50 basis points, bringing the rate down from 5.5% to 5%. So, what are the key factors behind the decision? So, one of the most important factor is the inflation. Over the past few months, inflation has been gradually eased up to 2.5%, which falls within the Fed range of 2 to 3%. This is a very positive sign for the economy as well. And the second most important factor is the unemployment rate. So, if you notice, the unemployment rate has been inching upward since the beginning of the 2024. It was around 3.7% at the start of the year, and currently it's standing around like 4.2%. And one of the most other important factor is the wage growth. If you notice, with the unemployment rising, wage growth has slowed too. It has decreased from 6% at the beginning of the year to around 4.5% now, which should further ease the inflation pressures, right? So, what does this mean for Bank of Canada as it prepares to make its own interest rate decision this October? Basically, today's Fed rate cut almost certainly signals that the Bank of Canada will follow the suit. One of the main consideration for the Bank of Canada is to stay in alignment with the Fed, right? It just can't ignore the US rate cuts and continue tightening, as doing so could lead to the currency depreciation, capital inflows, and trade imbalances. These concerns have been a key challenge for Canada, but with the Fed now on the path of rate cuts, the Bank of Canada is more aligned and may adjust its policy accordingly. Now, what does all of this mean for the Canadian housing market? Well, lower interest rate improve the housing affordability. However, one of the key drives for house prices will be the recent changes into the mortgage rules, including extending the amortization period to 30 years for the first-time home buyers. This is for both new homes as well as after sales as well, and increasing the cap on insured mortgages. So, I'll make a separate video explaining these rules in more detail and how they will impact individuals looking to purchase a home as well. Until then, keep watching my videos and thanks for support.